If your TV has a perfect picture but no sound, don't worry. I'm here to help you troubleshoot and fix it. In this video, we'll go through a few simple steps to get your sound back up and running
on your Roku device.
Let's dive right in. Step 1. Check the volume and mute settings. First things first, let's make sure the volume isn't set too low or muted. Grab your remote and press the volume up button. Also, check if the TV is accidentally muted. Press the mute button and see if that brings the sound back. Step 2. Check the audio output settings. If the volume and mute settings are fine, the next step is to check your TV's audio output settings. Go to Settings, Sound Output. Here, make sure it's set to TV speaker and not something like Bluetooth or optical output, unless you're using external speakers or a sound system. Step 3. Inspect external connections. If your TV is connected to a soundbar, external speakers, or any other device, make sure all the cables are securely plugged in. A loose connection can cause sound issues. If you're using HDMI, try unplugging and replugging the HDMI cable, or switch it to a different port to see if that resolves the problem. Step 4. Test the sound with different sources. Sometimes the issue might be with a specific input source. Test your TV's sound by switching between different inputs, like HDMI, cable, or built-in apps like YouTube or Netflix. If you get sound on one input but not another, the problem might be with the connected device rather than the TV itself. Step 5. Perform a sound test and reset. If you still don't have sound, you can perform a sound test to diagnose the issue. Go to Settings, Support, Self-Diagnosis, Start Sound Test. If the test reveals an issue, follow the on-screen instructions to troubleshoot. If not, you might need to reset the TV's settings. To do this, go to Settings General, Reset, and follow the prompts. Just remember that this will reset all settings to their factory defaults. Step 6. Update the TV's firmware. Another thing to check is whether your TV's firmware is up to date. Sometimes, software glitches can cause sound issues. Go to Settings and Support, Software Update. Update now. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it, then check if the sound issue is resolved. Step 7. Contact the TV's support. If none of these steps work, it's time to reach out to support. There might be a more serious issue that requires professional help. You can contact them through their website or by phone, and they can guide you further or arrange for a technician to take a look. And that's it. I hope one of these steps helped you fix your TV's sound issue. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or if you've encountered other issues, drop a comment below. I'd love to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.